Today I'm going to be showing you how to simply solve a one variable equation. So here we have the first example. It is 7x plus 5 equals 40. So you have the whole goal is to isolate the variable, which in this case is x. So to do that, we'll have to go backwards on the PEMDAS. So first we go with addition or subtraction. So we have to subtract the 5 from both sides, because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So you subtract 5 from the first side, and then subtract 5 from the other side. You could also write this as one big equation: 7x plus 5 minus 5 equals 40 minus 5. Then you simply just subtract 5 from 5, which is 0, and 40 minus 5, which is 35. So you get 7x equals 35. Then all you have to do next is divide it by 7 on both sides, or you could write it like that, and you get. And then if you switch over the x with the 7, you get 7 divided by 7 and 35 divided by 7. So x times 1 equals 5. It's simple division, and you get x equals 1, because x times 1 is just x. So x equals 5. And you can box that answer. If you didn't fully understand, I'll give a different example. Here's the second example. So 20x plus 32 equals 132. All you have to do is subtract 32 from both sides. Once again, you could write it differently like that. Then all you have to 32 minus 32 is 0, so you don't have to write anything. And 132 minus 32 is 100. So you get 20x equals 100. Then all you have to do is divide by 20 on both sides, or write it like that. And then x times 20 divided by 20 equals 100 divided by 20. And then x times 1 equals 5. And x equals 5. And box that answer. Last problem, just to get a different example if it's set up differently. So 122 minus 3x equals 101. So you subtract, even though there's no plus 122, there's a secret plus, it's positive. So you subtract the 122 from both sides, and you get 122 minus 122 minus 3x equals 101 minus 122. Negative. So then 122 minus 122 is 0, and 101 minus 122 is negative 21. So you divide by divide by negative 3, divided by negative 3, and you get negative 3 divided by negative 3, or negative 3x divided by negative 3 equals negative 21 divided by negative 3, which can be written as x times negative 3 divided by negative 3 equals negative 21 divided by negative 3. And you just write, so negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1, so x times 1 equals 7, and x equals 7.